for our math challenge today, boys and girls, learning about the number 1, you are going to need some paint, something to put the paint on, some paper, a ruler, a pencil and a pen to make our sunny day picture with all things adding to number 1. So let's go and make our lovely picture. Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Beeston Field Home Learning. Today in our maths challenge we are learning about the number 1, and we are going to be painting a sunny day picture with all things just being one thing each. So we are going to need some paint and we're going to need some paper to make our sunny day picture. Let's go and make it. So this is Miss Singh's waggle, boys and girls, and a waggle means what a good one looks like. So this is Miss Singh's sunny day picture. In our sunny day picture we have one sun, one cloud, one house with one door, one window, and then we have one green tall tree. So that is what we are going to be learning to paint today, boys and girls. So what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to get some plain paper, and you're going to need to get your paint brushes ready and a pot of water like Miss Singh has. And I have already got all my colours ready and we can start painting our picture. But first of all, boys and girls, what you're going to need to do is get a white piece of paper and a pencil. So Miss Singh is just going to grab that. What you're going to need to do, boys and girls, is first we're going to be drawing our sun. And remember, we're drawing one sun because our number that we are learning about today is 1. So Miss Singh is going to hold a pencil nice and tightly at the bottom, 2 fingers behind, and I'm going to draw my sun coming from the corner of the page. I'm then going to draw one cloud. So I'm going to draw my cloud in the sky, like that. I'm then going to draw my house, and it's one house. So I'm going to draw a square first. So that's my square. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, because the square has 4 lines. And then I'm going to draw a triangle on top for my roof. So 1, 2, 3. That's my triangle, my house. And boys and girls, because we are learning about the number 1, I'm going to draw one door and one window. Now the next thing we're going to draw is our tree. So I'm going to start my tree trunk there, nice tall tree, and then I'm going to draw my bush, my green big bushy bush. Okay, so we have drawn everything now, boys and girls. We have one cloud, we have one sun, we have one tree, one house with one window and one door. So now we're going to paint it, boys and girls. So Miss Singh is going to get her paintbrush, and she's got some water here, and I've also got a cloth, so I'm going to dab it. This stops our water from dripping all over. And I'm going to draw my sun first, boys and girls. So I'm going to paint the yellow. And I'm going to paint making sure I stay inside the lines. And then I'm going to do some sun rays. So I'm just going to get some more yellow paint. And I'm just going to draw some lovely sun rays coming down from that sun, boys and girls. So it's shining nice and bright. So that's my sun. I'm then going to clean my brush, dab it, and I'm going to get the white, boys and girls, and I'm going to do my white fluffy cloud, and I'm going to do a swooshing shape. And that is my cloud. So I'm making sure that my white is making my white fluffy cloud. Just one, remember, because we are learning about 1. So I'm going to then rinse my brush out, and I'm going to then paint the house. So I'm going to do the windows first, boys and girls. So I'm going to do yellow windows. So I'm going to paint my yellow like that, and I'm also going to do a yellow door. Like that. So next I'm going to choose is red, because I want a red house. So I'm going to choose red. So I'm just going to take my time, boys and girls, making sure I stay inside the lines. So that's my red house. And then, boys and girls, I'm going to paint, a blue roof, because I want my house to be nice and colourful. So I'm going to get my blue and I'm going to paint my triangle on top like that. Frank is saying hello, boys and girls. So that's my blue roof. So far, boys and girls, I painted my one house, my one cloud, my one sun, and it's just my tree left. So I'm going to get some brown for the tree trunk. Make sure you take your time. And then it's a lovely green bushy bush. So I'm just going to get some green next. And I'm going to do that swooshing shape, boys and girls, making sure I have a lovely green bush. And then I think I might add some grass at the bottom to make it a nice sunny day picture. So I'm just going to go swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. And then I'm going to again swoosh, 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 and there you have it, boys and girls. So I have a lovely sunny day picture with my one sun, my one house with one window and one door. I have one cloud in the sky, and I also have my one tree. You could add some blue to the sky, boys and girls, if you wanted to. So Missing's going to just do that now. So I'm going to put some blue around the sky and around the sun, just like that. Just to make it look like there's a lovely sunny blue sky. There we are. That looks absolutely great. So I hope you've had fun today, boys and girls, learning about the number 1 and learning how to paint a sunny day picture. So if you have a go at this, could you please take some photos and put them on tapestry so me and the rest of the Beeston Fields team can have a look at your lovely learning. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.